Hi guys, how can you create a color matching effect in Photoshop like this? First, open your main image. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy layer. Turn eye off that main background layer. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the reference poster or image whose colors you want to match. Use the Move tool to position it beside your main image. Now make sure your main copy layer 2 is selected. Now we should add that poster as new document image. Go File and open the main image poster as new file document. Go back to main image file document. Select layer 1. Go to Image Adjustments, Match Color. Inside the Match Color settings, set the fade around 7. Set the luminance around 115. Adjust the color intensity around 107. Now go to the Source option and select the document containing the reference poster. Press OK. Photoshop will automatically transfer the color tone and mood from the reference image to your main image. This is the before and this is the after. And that's how you can create a color matching effect in Photoshop.